Hey everyone, are you looking to get your hands on some Robux without spending a dime? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you real, legit, and completely legal ways to earn free Robux. No scams, no shady tricks, just smart methods that actually work. Whether you're a pro Roblox player or just starting your journey, these tips will help you build up your Robux stash the right way. Ready? Let's dive in. The first site is called Microsoft Rewards. On this site, you can earn points by searching things on the browser. There are 2 levels. In level 1, you can earn a maximum of 30 points a day by researching words. If you earn at least 500 points in 1 month, you will achieve level 2, which is pretty easy. At this level, you can earn up to 150 points a day for researching words, 90 points on the web browser, and 60 on mobile. I recommend using the Chrome extension because it's all more intuitive. Beyond that, there are other ways where you can earn points with Microsoft Rewards. There is a daily set which you have clicked on, and for every one of them will give you 10 extra points. If you do at least 3 research a day, you will receive another 9 points, and if you do for 7 days in a row, you will receive 100 points extra and each piece of a puzzle. When you complete the puzzle, you will receive an extra 1,000 points. When you have enough points, you can convert them into gift cards. There are many options. As you can see here, there are also Robux. You can choose between 200, 400, 800, and 1,000 Robux. The second website is called Free Cash. In this site, you can earn points by completing tasks. If you subscribe with my link, you will receive a bonus from 5 cents to $250. It is random, so good luck. You can earn in different ways. Participate in surveys, sign up for services, test apps, or complete specific tasks to earn points. You can earn extra rewards by completing daily goals or maintaining activity streaks. There is also a leaderboard challenges. Compete with other users for a spot on the daily or monthly leaderboard with additional rewards for top earners. After having completed different tasks, go to the cash out section here. There are many ways where you can cash out your points. As you can see here, there are also Robux. Click on it and redeem your points. Okay, these are the ways to earn free Robux. I hope you liked it. We will see to the next video. Bye.